guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun unboxing, and this probably has to be one of my favorite unboxings that I probably have ever unboxed. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hop into it. So I have been super curious, and this video is not sponsored, by the way. I have been so curious with the Young Living brand. So I have heard so many different things about this brand, and I wanted to see what it was all about. So when I was at Kinder Pickup, there was a mom that actually sold Young Living. So I was like, okay, let me take a look at the oils and let me just, do my research. And when I was looking at the page, I could, buy the oils, outright, or I could sign up for their membership. And it just made sense to me to go ahead and sign up for their membership because I know that this is going to be a transition that I'm going to be, moving into with my family. So if you guys have been curious about Young Living as well, then I wanted to go ahead and just unbox what comes in the starter kit. So first of all, with your starter kit, it is $165. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share everything that you get. And I think that the value that you get in the starter kit is definitely worth it. So you basically purchase a membership. And when you purchase the membership, you get the starter kit, and then you get 24% off of everything with your membership. So it's very similar to Costco. You pay the Costco membership up front, and then you are eligible for all of the discounts at Costco. So that's essentially what I did. So the first thing that is in my starter kit is my diffuser. So I picked the Desert Mist diffuser. So this is what I picked up right here. And I wanted to definitely get a really nice diffuser. I've used some off of Amazon, and they really just didn't work all that well, in my opinion. So that's why I wanted to go for a better quality diffuser. And I really liked the decorative accent on this diffuser specifically. So this is the diffuser that it comes with. So you put your oils inside of here, and then this is just a decorative topping on it. And then it's a decorative topping. It has a light too. So if you're gonna add this into your kids' room, it's kind of like a night light as well. And then it comes with the battery pack. So that is the first thing that you get inside of your kit. All right, so the next thing you're gonna get inside of your starter kit is a starter pack of different oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox everything. First off, I love the packaging. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different oils that come inside of your starter kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys each one. So the oils that are labeled Vitality, these are ones that you can actually ingest in your body. So you can actually use the peppermint oil, drop it in your water. You can just drop a little bit on your tongue. I've been really curious about that because doing a low carb lifestyle, you tend to get that funky keto breath. So I've heard really good things about just adding a little bit of this, and your mouth is automatically freshened up. So it comes with the peppermint. It also comes with the lemons. You also could go ahead and just drop in some lemon in your water if you wanted to. It comes with thieves. You guys, if you have not smelled thieves, it is Christmas in a bottle. And the Young Living line also has a thieves multi-purpose cleaner to basically, you can just use one cleaner for everything in your house. It smells amazing. I got a sample from a mom at Scarlett's Kinder Pickup. So I already know I love it. And then it also comes with the Citrus Fresh. And then it also comes with the G's. Have Raven. And then we also have Velour. And we have Pan Away. And we have lavender. And then we also have frankincense. I think that's how you say it. And these are 0.17 ounce bottles of oil. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different oils 5 of them you can ingest and 5 you are not supposed to ingest. And okay, so under your oil box, you also get 2 of the essential oil infused wolfberry supplements. So this is a nutritional supplement, it looks like. There's 6 grams of carbohydrates. It looks like you do the whole entire package. I don't know anything about this supplement, but I definitely will look into it. And then you also get a little Thieves hand purifier. You also get a sample of the Thieves spray. And then you also get 2 additional oils that you can turn into roller balls. So this is the Stress Away, and then also the Peace and Calming. And then it comes with 2 little roller ball, and then it comes with 2 little roller balls. And then it comes with a little guide in terms of like how you can use your oils, some suggestions, how many different like drops you're supposed to put in your diffuser. And then it just has some education on the pamphlet of the oils to kind of get you to learn like what the oils are meant for. And if you have, you know, something going on, you can refer to that in terms of how you can just use oils in your. And then also in your starter kit, you get a product guide. So it basically goes through all of the products that Young Living has to offer. So you can really educate yourself on, you know, what the different products do, how you can use it, what you can use it for, which I absolutely love. I cannot wait to get myself nerded out. And then I also got a free oil in this package because I signed up for the membership, which is additional savings. And then you also get free product with a certain amount of purchase. So this one is another Digees, and it's a Vitality, so you can actually ingest this into your body. So this is everything that came in my Young Living kit. So I'm gonna have a link below. If you're at all curious of testing out Young Living, I have a link below. You can either purchase some of the oils or you can go ahead and purchase your starter kit. And I would highly suggest that if you guys are at all curious about essential oils, specifically Young Living, I would highly recommend that you pick up the starter kit. So if you guys are at all interested in checking out this starter kit, yeah, it's a bit pricey, but if this is something that you have been wanting to learn a little bit more about, you've been wanting to get more into oils, then this is definitely the route to go in my opinion, because everything retail would be a lot more than $165. So that's why I went ahead and made the investment to go ahead and purchase this kit. And you get that 24% off discount when you place other orders. So again, it's like Costco. You pay for the membership and then you get to take advantage of the membership benefits once, you know, you pay for your starter kit. So by no means are you obligated to, you know, go door to door and sell Young Living. The main benefit, in my opinion, is getting the wholesale discount and getting the starter kit for significantly less than you would pay retail. I used to do that with Mary Kay Cosmetics all the time. I still have my Mary Kay commission. I love the product. So I'm able to get them at 50% off. So this is definitely a great way that you can make some part-time income on the side if you choose to do that. But Young Living, you're not obligated to sell, but you do have the option to sell Young Living to your friends and family as well, if that is something that you are at all interested in. So definitely go and check out the link below. And let me know if you guys are a part of the oiling community and if there is something that I am missing that I absolutely need to have. And I'm so excited to start oiling my house. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.